Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today I'm going to talk about Theta Healing in detail, that what is Theta Healing and how Theta Healing can actually help us to change our life totally and completely. So let's talk about Theta Healing, know about Theta Healing in detail. So Theta Healing was created by Vina Stibel. She is from USA and she is the one who is with me in that picture. So way back in 1990s, Vina was suffering from a cancer in her leg, and doctors told her that she hardly have any life as the cancer was spreading too fast and it was incurable cancer, and they gave her hardly any time to live. But as Vina was already into healing and she was a psychic herself, and she had a very strong belief system that if she is on this earth, there is some purpose, so she is going to definitely live. So that strong belief was definitely in her. And one day, with that belief system, she actually got connected to some power, and she simply said that heal me now, heal my cancer. And it was done. That miracle happened instantly. The cancer was gone, her leg was healed, and she actually was free from cancer forever. After that miracle took place, she got connected to that energy once again to understand that what is happening and what actually happened to her. So the wisdom was given to her that she got connected to the most powerful energy of the creation, which is known as creator of all that is. So we address that energy as creator of all that is in Theta Healing, which is the universal power, or which is the most powerful power, which is in me, which is in you. The power which has created everything on this universe and on this earth, everything, So like that essence is available everywhere. If you're breathing, it is there. If you are feeling, it is there. It is all around. So once you start connecting to that power consciously also, and that power has a power to change anything, so if you start believing that yes, we can change anything, it will support you to change anything. So there is a process in Theta Healing, that through that process there is a meditation technique through which we get connected to the creator of all that is. And once we are connected to the creator, our brain wave automatically comes into theta state. Actually, everybody is in theta state just 2 minutes before we are about to wake up. When we are sleeping and we are about to wake up, we are in that state. But consciously, we are not aware that we are in theta state, and we miss the chance to manifest, to change our life, to ask for anything, and it will be given to us during that state. So now, consciously, we train our brain to come to theta state from the alpha state. Like right now I'm talking and I am consciously knowing everything, so I am in alpha state right now. Once I start meditating, my brain will go into theta state, and in that state I say that I am part of all that is, I am connected to the creator of all that is. Automatically my brain wave will switch to theta state. And now once I am into that state and I am connected to the creator, I will ask creator to do healing on me. If there is any block, or if there is any issue, or if I am wanting to manifest anything, I will ask the creator, this is the thing and I want it now, and it will be done. So this is that simple it is. Now what happens in Theta Healing, this is the first part, is that you have to believe in the creator, that some power is there, which I feel that everybody knows that yeah, some power is definitely there who has built everything, And the second thing is that you practice to bring your brain into theta state. It's very simple, it's very easy. There is a meditation technique which each and every healer follows, and slowly we actually train ourselves that how consciously also we can come into theta state. Now the third thing is that we work on the belief systems when we are doing Theta Healing. Now what are belief systems? Belief systems are like, if somebody has a belief system that life is a struggle, or life is difficult, or everybody is not blessed. If that kind of beliefs are there in a person, what will happen? That the life will become struggleful. The person will feel like a failure, and then they'll see, that's what I know, that is what my truth is, that's my reality is. I am not that lucky. My destiny is like that. Then they'll start blaming everything. But then we, in this healing modality, we identify that what is going deep inside your mind, what all beliefs are there which are not actually helping you to live a happy life, which are actually creating blocks in your life. Now these belief systems are in 4 levels, are found in 4 levels: core, genetic, history and soul level. Now for example, core level is the level which is actually created when you got conceived in your mother's womb. From that time onwards your journey started, and from that time onwards your beliefs also started developing. Now for example, in a womb there is a baby girl. The soul which is planning to come on this earth is a girl, but outside everybody is thinking or is wanting to have a boy. Now what this girl will feel, that no one loves me, I am rejected, and maybe I'm a mistake, so the person inside, that baby inside the womb, will start feeling this and will start slowly start having this belief system. Now what will happen when the person is born, when the person will come in the life, in reality, and if the person is having all these beliefs deep inside them, then they will have that similar situations in their life where they'll feel that, yeah, nobody loves me, or I am rejected, or I'm a mistake, so they will have relationship issues. They'll be the loners, or nobody will be with them whenever they feel that they need any support or any love. No one will do that for them, because that's a belief in them, and that belief will actually start creating situations. Similarly, genetic level beliefs. So genetic level is a level which gives you the beliefs from your parents, your grandparents, or 7 generations back. So whatever they had, they have lived, they have experienced, they will simply give their beliefs to you when you were in the womb. So through DNA, you will take those beliefs. For example, if your parents had that belief that marriages don't work, if they had a difficult married life, or money is bad, or because of money things spoil, money spoils relationship. If these are the belief system which your parents or your grandparents, your great grandparents had, so you can take that belief system. Now what will happen, that if you are taking onto this belief system, automatically you will have the lack of money, you will struggle for money. So consciously you don't know that why it is happening. You will feel that I'm putting all my hard work, I do so much, but still I don't get success, but still I don't get money. Money is always difficult for me. So over here we will identify that from where your issue is coming, whether it is your own belief or you have taken from your past generations, and we will heal that. And you see that yes, the things are changing for you, the money situation starts changing, your work starts changing, so everything starts changing for you. Now the third level is history level. History level is like past 7 generations, all the generations will come in the history level, all your great grandparents will come into that. And the history level is the earth consciousness, the beliefs which your society they have, so if you are in India, the society has certain beliefs. If you belong to any particular religion, they have certain beliefs. So what all beliefs you have taken, that all comes into history level. For example, let's talk about any disease. For example, let's talk about blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid, cancer. They have the earth consciousness. Everybody on this earth feels that these diseases are incurable. Everybody feels that if somebody has cancer, they are going to die. Everybody feels that if somebody has blood pressure, diabetes or thyroid, they are going to have that lifelong. They have to take medicines. There is no cure. So these are all the belief systems which people have all around. And if you have taken that belief system, so definitely if you have any disease like that, you will stay with that disease forever. But if you have this knowledge that no, that's only a belief and I'm going to change that belief, then it will start changing for you, and you will see that yeah, diabetes is gone, blood pressure is back to normal, thyroid is back to normal, cancer is gone, you're free from all the diseases, and you're living a happy and healthy life. Now last level is the soul level, your own soul. So whatever journey your soul has done across time and space, across all lifetimes, so you have developed certain belief systems. Even your soul has gone through so much, so it is carrying certain beliefs in itself. For example, there can be a belief that if I'm a healer, I will be killed. Maybe your soul has experienced something like this in the past, where the soul was a healer, or soul was shamanic or something like that, and people actually killed you due to that power. So that belief is still there in you. So if you are getting inclined towards healing, but this belief will stop you from coming into healing, or any fear related thing can be due to past lives. So we identify that what all beliefs are there in you and from where it is coming, and then we simply go there and we change the belief, right? If there's a belief that money is bad, we are going to heal that, and we are going to teach you that money is good and money is a source of exchange on this earth. That is why you need money. If you're going to live on this earth, like you need oxygen, similarly you need money. So once these beliefs come into you, you open yourself to receive money, you start receiving money, and then you start earning money. So money issue is resolved. So it is that simple. If somebody is having high blood pressure, we change the belief that blood pressure can be back to normal, high blood pressure can be healed, and it can be back to normal. So this is that simple. This is how we work in Theta Healing, that we connect to the creator energy, we bring ourselves in Theta state, and we identify that what all beliefs are there which are stopping us from living a happy life, and we ask creator to change them, and it is done. It is that simple. So this is how the Theta Healing works, and this is how we actually start living a happy life. We actually start manifesting that whatever we are wanting in our life. So I just thought today that let me introduce Theta Healing in detail to you. Now there are different classes, there are different courses in Theta Healing. So there is a basic DNA class in which we learn a lot about different level of belief system, how to change them, how to change them, how to connect to the creator of all that is, how to practice to bring yourself in Theta state. And then we start working on different energies, different vibrations. We start to see that if any belief is there, how it is stopping us, and how we can actually change that belief system in us. Then in basic class, we actually heal our DNA. We change our genes also. We check if we have any genes which is not supporting us, Suppose like if we have a genes of diabetes, or if we have a genes of cancer, or if we have a genes of poverty, whatever, we check that, and if it is there, we ask creator to change our genes, so that if genes are changed, automatically entire DNA will change, the chromosomes will change, and it's going to bring a huge change in your life. In basic class, we also do DNA activation. So that is youth hormone activation. So once that is done, because that's also belief system that with age we become old, that's a belief system. And if that belief is changed and your youth chromosomes are activated, then your aging will stop and you will be young forever and your body will be healthy forever. So see, that's a blessing, or that's a miracle that we get in this modality. Then comes the advanced class. In advanced class, we learn at deeper level about the belief system, that how to change that, how to do digging, how to go deeper into your subconscious mind and do the change over there, and how to bring feelings into you. So what happens sometimes that we don't know that what it feels like to be loved, or we don't know what it feels like to be happy, or we don't know what it feels like to be rich. Maybe we and our ancestors have never experienced money, so we don't know what it feels like to be rich. Or maybe since our birth, we have not experienced the true love. So we teach ourselves that we know that how to have this emotion or this energy or this vibration now in our life through creator of all that is. And once it is there in our cells, it is there in our bodies, in our energies, it will automatically start attracting that kind of life, that kind of relationship, or that kind of abundance in our life, or that kind of health in us. So we teach ourselves, the feeling work is done. Then comes dig deeper class, which actually takes you to the deepest level of digging. What do you mean by digging? If suppose I have a belief system that no one loves me, that's the upper belief system. Now I'm going to do the digging, that why it happened, from where it came, what all things were happening when this thing developed, this belief developed in me. So I'm going to go digging, like I'm going to dig deeper and deeper and deeper, and then I'm going to reach to a bottom belief system, and I'm going to release that belief system from me. Once the bottom layer is released, everything, the upper layers will go forever, and then I'll replace it with a new energy, new wisdom, new power. So this is how we work. Then there is an intuitive anatomy class, there is world relation class. In intuitive anatomy, we work about different we learn about different body parts, body system. For example, eyes, so our eyes are actually seeing so much. So whether our eyes are seeing happiness, or our eyes are seeing sadness, or our eyes are seeing something which we are not liking it, so we are going to work on our eyes and what beliefs our eyes are holding. Similarly, we are going to work on the skin, the brain, the muscular system, the digestive system, the heart, ears. So we are covering each and every body part and each and every body organ, and every body part and every body organ has a belief system stored over there. So we work on that. Then comes world relation class. In that we are going to work if we have certain beliefs regarding certain communities or religion or people or countries, then so we work on that, so that if we are free from all these beliefs, then we are free to travel world, we can work with different people, we open ourselves for the world. Then comes a class disease and disorder. In that we are going to study about so many diseases, so many illnesses and sicknesses, that why they happen, what is the reason behind them, and once anybody has that, then how we can actually work on them and we can actually heal that person totally and completely. So it's only a belief that the disease is there and it is incurable. That's a belief. Through creator, we were given a healthy body, and it's a birthright to live in a healthy body. Then comes a class DNA 3. That's a magical class. That's a class full of miracles, in which you can do instant healing, and in which you can actually shift anything instantly, So it is a very powerful class, and once you are able to do that class, you will see that yes, instant manifestations are taking in your life, instant healing are taking place in your life, and you are becoming so powerful as a healer yourself and as a person yourself. So these are the different classes. Along with this, we have class for weight rhythm, where we work on our weight so that we can come in our actual happy weight for a body, ideal weight for a body. If you are thin or if you are fat, it doesn't matter. There are certain beliefs in you, we work on them and we release that. Then there comes a class for soulmate. If you're looking for a life partner, if you're looking for the love, and if nothing is happening, if you are not getting the results, if something is stopping you from having that, then there is a class which can help you to release those beliefs and bring your most compatible soulmate in your life. And there are many more classes, like there's a class regarding you and your significant other, that is your life partner. Then there's you and your creator, that is between you and your creator, whatever beliefs are there that you're not able to connect to the creator, or you don't feel that love or that power. So there's a lot of knowledge, there is a lot of wisdom, and it actually gives you so much that you are completely amazed that So many things are there to learn, so many things are there to heal, and so many things are there to actually enhance ourself, our knowledge, our wisdom, and you start becoming a different person altogether. So this is theta healing. Try to experience it through a session, and if possible, do learn it. It's very important. You have theta healers all around the world. All around the world they are available. So just connect to any theta healer and check if you feel resonated. Go for a session or book a class and experience this beautiful modality for you on yourself, because like if I can talk about it for an hours and hours and hours, but it is actually experiential thing. So you have to experience that what is the power and how it works. So just be open and allow yourself that so this beautiful thing can come into your life. So now I leave you with this knowledge, with this wisdom, and I'll ask Creator to bless you with a beautiful life, and I ask Creator to open you for this beautiful modality. So if you say yes, just close your eyes and allow this energy to come into you. Right? Bye. Take care.